Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Eko Madiyuguna, NPM 24411047. Now I will explain about risk management, business and strategies from what could go wrong to an action plan. This deck transforms strategic risk from an abstract worry into a disciplined program of decision, metric, and action. While move from diagnosis, understanding which strategic traits matter, to a repeatable roadmap for testing strategy, quantifying risk, and building mitigation that preserve enterprise value. Why business risk can't be offloaded? Business risk is rooted in a company's strategic position and its exposure to shifting industry and technology contexts. Unlike insurable operational risk, these threats arise from strategic choice, market entry, product bets, partnerships, and directly affect corporate outcomes and shareholder value. That means leadership must own and actively manage team. Inherent to strategy. Risks come from the choice we make. They are not external noise that can be fully transferred. Value implication. Strategic misalignment reduce cash flow forecast and shareholder value over time. Require active stewardship. Board and executive must design, monitor, and adapt risk response. Ensure alone is insufficient. Strategic risk equals future performance risk. Strategic risk operates at the company level. It influences strategy formulation and execution. Unlike short-term operational incidents, its effective accumulate a lost market share, impaired growth option, or erosion of brand and governance credibility. Triggers include market disruption, regulatory shifts, governance failures, and stakeholder reaction. Horizon long-term triggers market, governance, stakeholders, owners, executive, and board. Classic black box. How strategy fails, common patterns, strategy failure rarely occurs as a single event. Typical patterns: weak environmental scanning, slow response to competitive change, misread customer signals, and insufficient capital or capabilities to execute. When strategy and risk management don't operate together, surprise become crisis rather than manageable deviation. Weak sensing, insufficient market and competitor monitoring delays, detection of threats, Poor testing. Business models are launched without experiments or stress tests. Governance gap. Board overnight focus on result, but not on whatever risks were anticipated. Strategic risk management roadmap for staff. The first step is define strategy, clarify corporate objective. The second step is a test model. Develop and validate business model. The third step is identify KPIs, set measurable risk indicator. The fourth step is mitigate risk, design process and owners. This consists four step sequence turns strategy into measurable, testable outcomes and then into active mitigation. Each step like to clear owners, decision gates and monitoring so risks are surfaced early and responses can be scaled. Be bold, but calibrate, align risk appetite with expected returns. Taking strategic bets is necessary for growth, but its high risk choice must have commensurate expect returns and clear guidelines. Define risk appetite at the portfolio level. Require upside expectation for high risk intense initiative and embeds control. Quality gates, market test, stage funding. They limit downside while preserving optionality. Set appetite. Board approved boundaries for acceptable strategic risk. Require tests, small experiments to validate assumption before scale. Decision gates, funding and scale decision tied to KPI, thresholds, and milestones. Call to action or CTA start today. Begin with one probing question: which strategy choices could destroy value, and how would they occur? Then close the loop, define strategy, test the model, set KPI triggers, create mitigation, register risks, monitor regularly. The goal is simple and urgent. Protect continuity and profitable growth as markets evolve. Immediate next step: identify 3 top strategic risks. Assign owners, run rapid tests for one high impact assumption, and add the outcome to the risk register within 30 days. I think that's all my presentation. Thank you for watching.